Here we go. Iced out, baby. That's all. That's it. It's spiky, brother. Yo, okay, we're over here. We got the Elon Musk SpaceX centipede, millipede, quadcopter, 16-wheeler here. This thing about as heavy as a 4-ton truck, which is actually 2 tons. The side profile here, and just look at this. Look how heavy this thing is. Weighs a ton, and it's got a lot of wheels. Look at it, you can go like this. No problem. No problem. This thing is pretty heavy. Like if you drop this off the Braille drop, it'd probably go through the ground, like into the earth.
Like, you know those semi trucks on the road? What do you call it? 18-wheelers? All-terrain.
Hey Ricky. All-terrain! Hey Ricky, did you know in Australia, I'm sure you know, in Australia the semi trucks could have more trailers than here?
Really?
Like they can attach
You know
more.
what I like about the semi-trailers? Is they just driving on the road and then the tire just blows out, but then they don't care because they got so many wheels. Like that's kind of like what we...
Oh my God. Dude, this thing is so heavy. Look at this ollie.
The board is like basically the same as JD. Same size, kind of, same weight. All right, what's my strategy this week?
Yeah! If there was one time that Mowgli was here and we could get him to go down the 3 block, I wish it was with this. Yeah, can we actually try that, the rolling down the stairs real quick? Wait, Chris, do this first. Go off the ramp first, just to see what happens. This is what we needed. Hey, send that thing to space for Elon.
3, 2, 1.
Yo, a 50-50 on the flat bar would be so sick.
Weld it or screw something on. Put the all-terrain wheels, bigger risers, and then we got these spinny things and the all-terrain wheels.
Oh, he going straight for the 5.
Last time we messed around with these trucks, Chris got alien abduction bodied, remember?
Hey, from back there, he got folded. It was like,
I swear I heard it crack. I swear I heard it crack.
all I'm gonna say is I don't need a chiropractor anymore.
Hey,
we're good.
You know what? With all this clearance, what's there to be nervous about? Yo, it actually, I wasn't prepared, but I think it's like clipping and just shredding the stairs. Oh God! It went like this. It pulled a Titanic. It went like this.
Alright. Tell you what's funny about skateboarding? If that attempt was the first attempt, we would be like, oh, I don't know if it's doable. But because the first one got so close, we're like, yeah, we got it.
Yeah! The first one was good, the second one was bad, and that one was worse. Easy that time. I don't know what the difference is. Dude, that looks crazy.
Right there, like see how it kind of.
No, that looks sick.
It's just wild. It's a tank.
Oh! Look, like you could ride up that, I reckon.
We need some fatter wheels. I feel like.
Oh! Oh! The harpoon. Oh, he broke it. Destruction.
Oh, what?
It literally
How did you do that? Oh, it came out of the pit.
Bar spin. I have experiments that I want to try.
Wait, I reckon JD's got this next shot. You want to land it first, JD?
Yeah. That was sick. All right, this is my precursor test. I have 2 tests to run, and this is the first one. And if it works, we will proceed with the second one. I thought it could just roll down. I just gotta go faster. I wanna ride down.
He doesn't mind the kingpin.
Okay, that kind of worked. Let's see the other test, which I'm very scared of.
This is uncharted territory right here.
See if this is gonna hit right in that spot. No, it's not gonna hit. It's not gonna hit.
He's gonna die.
I heard that.
No way.
I mean, I could easily manual and do it, but if I could go like this, that means you could maybe go down that.
Whoa. It looked like a surfer on the wave, you know, just powering through.
Yeah, I say, can we move that? Yeah, the next phase of the test here.
You have heard of Space X, but have you heard of Space Z?
So too, we remember that Uzi was born dizzy, so he's going in the space thing, you know, you get really spun around. I think he's got it, no problem.
Hey, Chris, you gotta get the side
You were
slow-mo.
born in the dizzy.
I don't know, brother. I'm actually terrified. Oh, Lordy. I'm gonna pull a Mowgli and clip on the second one and just die. We almost made it. If I land this one and you happen to be watching, Elon, please send me a flamethrower. Thank you. We got it, we got it. I have the power of God and memes on my side. Oh! Gotta redo it.
Dude, that's gnarly.
I've never seen him more in control of a skateboard than that one right there.
Okay, I think I'm gonna do that. Guarantee I get down at this try. Can I see that? Dude, all terrain.
You literally just skated down a 3-block.
All terrain. Feel exhilarated. Is that a word?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god.
Well, yeah, just skip over that part.
Not that close. There's all the pressure on the second back.
Can we see it in regular motion?
Yeah, look how clean he lands though, just like all the wheels. Bam.
You rolled away like you
looks
were
nice.
destined to land that.
I can't believe that worked actually, now that I'm thinking about it, because like originally I was like, oh yeah, I'll try that, but there's no way.
You just needed the right board.
This is facts. I will start going down all kinds of stairs with the Stairmaster. Dang, Shovey. I had to look fresh today because I feel like if I look fresh, then I will try harder tricks because I'm like, I gotta get a clip in this.
Much later.
All right, McNugget is now on the mic, and I have been given permission to leave the premises with this abomination of a skateboard over here.
Look at this. How does it stay? How?
All right, let's go. Is that top speed right there? I didn't even feel that. Let's see if it goes through the grass. Not really. Well, that didn't work very well. Oh! It's mostly just grass and like little rock gardens. Ah! Yeah. Why am I always getting stabbed and bodied? Oh, right there. Look, I'm bleeding.
This current terrain is not suitable for our all-terrain needs.
No, I think that this board is just not all terrain, it's just some terrain.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense though, because this is a semi-trailer board. You try to drive your semi-trailer in the mud, you're in big trouble.
Some terrain is still better than a regular skateboard because a regular skateboard is
racing,
barely,
racing slicks.
Yeah.
What's nice about this board is like, no matter what you're going over, like cracks or holes, like you don't even feel it. It's smooth riding. Should we hit the pull?
Yeah, you got that.
You think so?
Some terrain!
Some terrain.
Some terrain.
Some terrain! Yeah!
This?
Yeah, hit that terrain.
All right, I'm hit this terrain right here. I'm gonna go this way. Look at that, like nothing.
More terrain.
More terrain!
I need to find more terrain.
Rail terrain, gravel terrain, speed bump terrain, mountain terrain, traffic terrain, buffalo terrain, safe terrain!
We need all-terrain wheels, man. Dude, we could do anything if we had all-terrain. We just ruined the landscaper's work.
All-terrain.
What you got?
No, no.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Do you know what kind of cacti these are?
It's an agave or a...
It's a yucca, I think, or yucca.
We have the, I have one of
Or is it agave?
Gabe, you should grow aloe vera plant, cut it open, try to eat
I have
it.
one of these in front of my house.
Yeah? Eat
Yeah,
it.
literally.
I think you have agaves.
My dad's allergic to them.
Yeah, you can take those pieces. Yeah, that thing will literally stab me. Easy. Easy. No match for this thing.
Mani pad.
Yeah. Oh!
Yeah, no. Yep.
Right here for you.
Yeah!
All-terrain!
Did you say Braille skateboarding? Yeah! All right, we gotta go, we gotta go. Yeah! Where should we go?
Back there.
Back over there? We get a slow-mo on the street spot right here? Yeah, we got that. Ah! That was kind of a make. It could have been smoother.
What? What is this?
I kind of want that rod.
Who placed this beautiful specimen?
Here we go. Ah!
It's a train!
Look at this ledge right here. Like nothing. Hey, I tried. We need some all-terrain wheels for this right here though. This thing is actually really fun. I just wish you can control it more. It's kind of like stuck in its way, you know, it's a very stubborn turning skateboard. Yeah, get the stick test. Nobody wants to mess with that stick. Speed bump. Yo! Actually got some air.
I want to see a stick test. Come on, Uzi. You want it on the hump? You think it's just gonna survive the stick?
I think it'll chew it up and go.
It just destroyed it. I mean, the stick was no chance for the skateboard, so. That should have been slow-moed right there. Oh! Yeah! Oh! Woo!
We out here in the real world, guys. Where do you want us to go? Taco Bell? Chick-fil-A? Let us know. Get out of there. You might die if you do that, though.
Hey, we're gonna need you after today, so just be careful.
Oh, terrain! Yeah! That was kind of scary up there.
No. What kind of an insane skateboard should we make next? We're leaving it up to you. Leave it in those comments below. What kind of skateboards would you like to see us try and skate? We can do anything because all terrain. Some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And we want you to learn how to skateboard. We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.